foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is BHADANG, which is spicy puffed rice or murmura chivda in Hindi. It is very delicious and flavorful snack, very crunchy and very nutritious, healthy snack. When I was growing up, it was our favorite movie time food. So let's get started with the recipe and see how to make Kolhapuri BHADANG. Alright, let's take heavy bottom pan and add 400 grams of Kolhapuri murmura or puffed rice, and I'm dry roasting it for about 5 minutes. Before we move on, let's like, share and subscribe to this recipe and hit the bell icon. Keep the murmura aside, and in the same pan I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of oil and let the oil heat, because next step is really important. We are adding mustard seeds and it has to splutter nicely, so let's wait till the oil is well heated. After mustard seeds are spluttered, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a cup of peanuts. So let's fry them. So after about 2 to 3 minutes of frying peanuts, I am adding a bunch of curry leaves. They are fresh from my garden, and of course we are adding 8 to 10 garlic cloves. I've just give that a slit, maybe cut one garlic into 2 to 3 pieces. Keep sauteing for about 2 to 3 minutes and till the time you see the garlic is turning light brown, and that's the indication that you will know that the garlic and peanuts are well fried. Alright, time to add asafoetida. This is hing. I'm adding half a teaspoon of hing. Let's mix this well. Again, another important step. Let's turn off the heat at this point because our garlic and peanuts are well fried. So I'm going to keep this mixture as is for about 5 minutes. Let it cool off a little bit. Alright, so after 5 minutes, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder in this mixture, as well as red chili powder. Let's first mix the turmeric powder in this warm oil, and to maintain that beautiful red color, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. I already turned the heat off and I want to have that beautiful vibrant red color to the BHADANG or the puffed rice. So let's mix this well. If the heat is on, the red chili powder and turmeric might get burned and get brown real quick, so that's why I turned it off. And next comes the key ingredient. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chaat masala just to give that beautiful tangy effect to this BHADANG. And believe me, without chaat masala the BHADANG is incomplete, I would say. So add that and mix, give that a good mix. Another important step, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar in the mixie jar, and going to give it a good mix to the grind, and then that particular powdery mixture I'm going to add it in the masala that we are preparing now. It's just because it's easier to blend with the kurmura or the murmura. At this point, as you have noticed, my heat is completely off and I'm just mixing everything in the oil that we already heated earlier. So now we have kurmura ready and my spicy mixture is ready. So I'm going to keep this for about 5 minutes before mixing the murmura. And our chatpata spicy bhadang will be ready in minutes now. I'm adding the dry roasted murmura or the puffed rice here. I'm adding in 2 batches because that masala has to get blended with the murmura. Once you see the first batch of murmura is well mixed here, I'm going to add the second batch. So let's add that and give that a good mix. We pretty much have to turn those white murmuras into the spicy, flavorful murmura. Alright, at this point you can have a test and see whether if you need more sugar, more salt, or red chili powder or chaat masala. Depends on how you like it. So let's mix it with your hands because that's the best way to mix those murmuras together. And there you go, my spicy chatpata puffed rice is ready. Enjoy this with tea, or it's a beautiful daytime snack as well. So enjoy this bhadang, especially as a snack time. Alright, so my bhadang is ready and I am going to say bye to you. Until then, take care and goodbye. If you like this recipe, do try it at home and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye.